DGL101 Digital Culture is a first-year course required by all digital programs, but also open to anyone taking courses in NIC. In the NIC calendar, DGL101 is described like this. In this course, students will learn the fundamentals of contemporary practices for the design and development of a wide range of user-centered products. Students will engage in all aspects of product development: research, analysis, iteration, prototyping, presentation, and evaluation, in order to meet the required objectives through individual and team projects. But what does this really mean? Well, I'd like to say that it's a holistic overview of how everything fits together, where everything relates to everything digital. We'll start off with an overview of how computers work, computational thinking, and what the internet is. These are basic concepts that will be reviewed for some of you, but it'll set the ground for more advanced material later on. We'll talk about the role of technology in society and about digital citizenship, things like ethics, privacy, security, and why accessibility is so important. We'll look at what digital products are, from mobile apps to websites to software to interactive multimedia installations and everything in between. We'll ask questions like, what is the difference between a web app and a website? And when would you want to use one and not the other? We'll look at who makes digital products, the different roles on a team, and what their responsibilities are. The Canadian tech industry is booming, and there are many opportunities. But how do you know if you want to work as a full-stack developer or a front-end developer, or as a UX designer or a UI designer? We'll look at how contemporary teams function, their workflows, the collaborative software they use, and the techniques they employ to manage really complex projects. Together, we'll work through a case study that creates a digital product from inception through to design, development, and launch. And all along the way, we'll employ principles from design thinking and computational thinking to ensure that our digital product solves the problem it needs to solve in the most creative, effective, and efficient way possible. We'll learn things like how to conduct user research and define the real problem that needs to be solved, what a digital marketing plan looks like, how to conduct user testing and adapt the project's outcomes in response to that data, which development stack to use when, like when would you use React.js versus Ruby on Rails, how to use wireframes, style guides, design systems, and prototypes, how to determine an estimate, communicate with clients, and manage a timeline, and more. Everything you need for a basic understanding of what it takes to make and use incredible digital products.